Hey everyone, it's Dane right here, and today we're gonna unbox Paper Mario Color Splash. This is gonna be my first unboxing videos. I'm not gonna be doing this as my main thing. I'm not much of an unboxer, but since this game first just kinda came out, unless if you had an early copy, Game Explain. But yeah, so here we go, let's open it up. Sorry, this is gonna be really hard. I'm gonna try to open this with the camera. There we go. We're opening it. Nice. Okay, let me get the camera. Show you I'm opening it. There we go. Paper Mario Color Splash. This is it. Yeah, let's go. Just do the bottom part, come on. Come on. Oh, come on. Waiting. We are waiting. There we go. Sorry guys, this is really hard to unbox with trying to hold this iPad in my hand. Oh. Now they have me unboxed it. I'll show the back first. So we're talking about puzzles and the paint and the cards and then the puzzles. And I think this is funny. Just read this right here. What it says. Oh wait, not that word. Oh yeah, it's right here. Let me try to get it. There we go. Basic reading abilities needed to fully enjoy this game. That's totally correct, which I'm not exaggerating at all. So, that's the game, but let's unbox it. Let's see if there's anything special. Yeah. So this is what the CD looks like again. You know, there's Koopa Troop there. There's the manual. You have to read the manual. No, we don't. No one even reads the manual, dummy. Unless no. Okay. Anyways, so actually, let's go put it in. Let's put in the CD. I've already got my Wii U on. As you can see, I already have my Wii U on. Let's see. Let's put in the CD. There we go. Is it gonna do it? Sorry, I have my gamepad here. Let's see. Is it gonna take a little bit time to load though? Let's see. We did it, guys! It's Paper Mario Color Splash! Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. I did really. I enjoyed it. This was just a little quick video. I have a few other videos planned, but I'm probably gonna be playing this all day, so I don't know if there's gonna be a lot of videos today. But this is kind of just gonna be what the videos are. Ooh. The title is loading up. I like the music. Yep. Okay guys, gotta end the video. Bye.